check me out, man. Let's ride. Let's get straight to it, man. Straight to the first hour. Picked this up off their window. They left it there for me. I grabbed it. Let's see what's in there, man. I hope it's something big, baby. It was already a $20 order. This crazy, man. Thank you. They bought thank you cards, man. I like some people, man. They cool, man. Oh, cash on top of the $20 order. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new to my channel, man, welcome to this thing. So you know I'm declining till I die all day, which means I'm not moving unless the order is $15 and up and under 10 miles. And you know what I'm saying, that ratio, $1.50 per mile. And I want my stacked orders to be looking real 17-ish, 18-ish, and of course I want those to be under 10 miles as well. Right, so we got that 4th hour out the way. We 4 hours in, y'all. I'm at $93, so it's like $13 over $20 an hour. Not counting gas, so we doing pretty good so far, man. We doing good. I'm staying busy with orders over $15. I'm just, you know, I've been declining a lot, man. Do not accept these kind of orders or these kind of orders. Don't accept them. We're not doing it. The mileage is more than the payout, and that's terrible. We don't want to be wasting our time with these kind of orders. We don't think that these kind of orders have a hidden tip. The Doordash didn't give us any kind of incentive to do an order for $5 for 9 miles. We're not doing that. I'm not doing this because I don't go to Walmart. I'm not doing this because I don't go to Chipotle. It's pretty good for the slow hours. Somebody asked me, how do I keep track of my expenses? Somebody asked me in the comments, and I use the Stride app, man. The Stride app has a mile tracker on it. You can use that. They have a tracker on it. I don't use the tracker for the miles. I just write down from my odometer before I start dashing, and when I'm done, and I just enter that into the Stride app because they let you enter it in manually. I don't like using the tracker, but I do use the little receipt tracker. You can take a picture within the app. That's cool. Like when I'm grabbing food or Monsters or water while I'm out dashing, any kind of stuff like that while I'm out dashing. I also write off my phone bill. I just go up to T-Mobile and have them tell me my percentage of usage for the Doordash app, so I can write off my percentage of my phone bill and not get audited for trying to write off the whole phone bill. You can't write. I can't write off my whole phone bill because I'm not dashing 24/7. That's another tip for the day, man. Yeah, so you can definitely use the Stride app. Easy to use, keeps everything neat to keep track of your expenses. That's what's up. So 4th hour went good. Back to dashing. Right, y'all. So guess what, man? We in the 8th hour. And we at 220. It's 215 on the dashboard, but I got that $5 tip. Remember that? First order of the day, $5 tip, man. That was great. So we at 220 in exactly 8 hours or a little bit less. I forget exactly what time I started, but I believe it was 12:30. So 12:30 to 8:30, that's 8 hours, 10 deliveries, $22 per delivery. That's an extra smooth dash, y'all. Man, 8 hours, man, after gas, that's $25 an hour. And I still have 44 miles left in the tank. But yeah, y'all missed a lot of my dash, so let's rewind back to the 5th hour where I ended up backing out of that Carrabba's order I had for $16.75. It was a 10-minute wait. I don't like waiting around dinner time, and I don't want to wait 10 minutes and drive 9 miles. That's terrible to me, and I don't have to do it if I don't want to. So I backed out on that order, and I ended up not even making any money in the 5th hour. But right after I backed out of that order, I got a $17 order from Buddy's Pizza for 10 miles that ended up actually being $24 after I delivered it. And then right after that, a $17.75 order popped up from the same place, Buddy's Pizza. 11 items, man. And this is what it looks like at acceptance screen sometimes when it's a catering order. Sometimes it'll show you, like, make sure you have your catering bag before you do this order. But they ended up spending $183. You can look at it in the app. Here's where it's at. I got it as soon as I was done with that delivery, and I was 7 miles away. So I only ended up having to do 3 miles after I got to Buddy's with no wait time. Buddy's is really good on the wait time. So I love going to Buddy's. I always accept big Buddy's orders. You know what I'm saying? It was only 4 pizzas and a salad. That's crazy how expensive Buddy's is. The order ended up being $39. Man, that's a unicorn for sure. Then after that, I declined all the way back to my spot. Man, they was pausing my dash. They kept pausing my dash. I'm declining all these little trash orders. This trash order, that trash order. I don't go there. Then this beauty popped up, all highway. Yeah, it said 12 miles, but this order only took me 25 minutes. That's what I be saying. It took me about 25 minutes to do this ordering whole. You know, it wasn't a hidden tip in there. It definitely was $19, but that's still a beauty. I love it. I ended up seeing a Bed Bath & Beyond order for $14.25 for 4.3 miles. And I'm looking at it because I never been to Bath & Beyond before. I thought it was like a red card, but I lost my red card, so they're not sending me red card orders right now. So I'm like, okay, it's not a red card order. I never been there before because I didn't have my red card, and I always thought it was a red card order. So I get there, and they tell me that the items have already been picked up. All right. Nah, this could be a crazy situation. All you really got to do is call support and tell them that exactly what the people at the store said. Items already got picked up by another dasher or whoever. You know, you could tell them that. But what I did was I called the customer, like, hello, how you doing? I'm at Bed Bath & Beyond, and they said your items have already been picked up. Did you receive your items already? Are you satisfied with Doordash's service? And they was like, yes, I did receive all my items already. Thank you so much for calling and asking. I don't know what the mix-up is, but thank you. So after they told me that, I just drove by her house and swiped delivered, and this order ended up being $19 as well. And that's what put me at the end of the night. I don't want to dash anymore. I want to go home and eat and relax, because tomorrow I'm going crazy again. Another 15-hour shift. I'm starting at 5:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna have to get some sleep tonight. I'm trying to make another 400 tomorrow, maybe 5 if I can, depending on how my day goes. Like today was kind of slow, only 10 deliveries, only 4 hours active dash time. I'm gonna go through a little recap of the deliveries. So go ahead, look at all these deliveries at once. I'm gonna show y'all. Look at these. It's looking great, y'all. No order under $16. That is a great day. That is a great day. I didn't even do no little stacked orders today. I just did all orders above $15. Decline till you die. Still made over 200. Still made $25 an hour in 8 hours. That's a great day. Have 1 hour of zero money. My 5th hour, I didn't make any money because I was declining for like 30 minutes, and then I backed out of a Carrabba's order. It's a great dash, y'all. I love to dash lazy. Tomorrow, I don't think I'm going to dash lazy during the morning shift. I think I'm going to go hard during the morning shift and then start dashing lazy around 11 o'clock. But we will see how it goes tomorrow, man. Make sure y'all stay locked in. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And stay tuned for more of these helpful videos, man. Y'all stay safe out there, man. I hope these tips that I give y'all can start helping y'all enjoy dashing a little bit. Shout out to the people that's already enjoying dashing and just watching for fun, seeing what other people is doing. I believe 250 could have been possible today, but I don't want to work 10 hours. I just want to work 8 today. And we dashers, so we do what we want, y'all. So that's what's up. So I'm about to end this video, and I will see y'all tomorrow, man. Any questions y'all have, ask them in the comments. Anything y'all want to know, ask them in the comments. I'm in Michigan. That's where I'm at, y'all. That's where my market is. Ain't no crazy great market. My market is only got 60,000 people out here. And my acceptance rating is like a 4 or 5 or 6% today. I can't even remember what it ended as, but it's something like that, like a 4, 5, 6%, 7%. It's under 10%, I'm sure. When I started today, it was at 11%. So that means I declined 95% of these orders because they just garbage. You know, just like any other market, I'm declining. So maybe you guys might not be declining enough. Maybe you're in the wrong market. Maybe you're not in a large order program. Maybe that's why you don't see these big orders. So ask yourself these 3 questions, and these 3 things possibly could be fixed. All you have to do is just go market shopping, man. Try to find the richest area around you and just try it out on the weekends, because the weekends is the best day to try new markets, because that's when it's going to be the busiest. So I really want y'all to win. That's why I'm making these videos. So let's get it, man. Back to the crib, y'all. We out.